Hey everyone, welcome back to Season 2 of the Productivity Tips and Tricks for Office 365. We are staying with OneNote, and video 2 is going to be recording audio and taking notes while you're recording that audio. It's a great feature to use when you're in meetings or when you just need to record something that you can listen to later. It's a really good functionality. You can use it at school, at the workplace, at home. So let's get into it and let's see how that works. To start recording audio and taking notes against that, it's really simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new page. So in our previous video, we created a new notebook, we created a section, and we created a page with some meeting information. So now we're going to go and create a new page. I'm going to call this one Anvil Ltd, another customer of ours. Now this customer, we are going to be recording the session. We've asked them prior if we can go and do it. They've given us their consent, and we are just going to record it so that we don't miss anything. The great thing about this functionality in OneNote is when we record, it'll use your desktop microphone. Furthermore, it's actually going to start allowing us to see the notes taken against the audio. Now, what I mean by that is, let's jump into it and see. So we've created a new item, a new page. From the ribbon, we can go into Insert, look across to the audio functionality, and that'll then pop up and start recording. So immediately we can see that it is recording here. We're already 5 seconds in. It's recording. We can stop it if we wanted to. We cannot pause it, and it creates a file for us that we can start to use. Now, if I start recording notes, so I'll just say Scott was in the meeting at this point in time. Introductions were being made. Now, if we had to leave this for a while and talk about certain things, you might want to make notes about what's going on. Because the conversation is moving very quickly, your notes are being made very simply. So we can put notes here, such as let's go feedback on a project. Like the new design. Users are happy with the changes. New automation requests coming through from HR. And we might want to go and look at new ideas. Let's add in a new section here. So new ideas, increase font size, remove colors, add in more imagery. Now, I've taken the notes, we've made great feedback, but somebody who's now reading this from our team is not really going to understand how the conversation went. So for them to get some feedback on it, what we have to do is actually, of course, stop the audio. Let's give this some time. And what we can see now is when it's stopped, we can go and listen to the recording. We can push play and it plays back for us. But when we go and hover over OneNote, and we've got the area where we are working in, if we go and hover over the areas, so you can see that I'm hovering on the line that says Scott was in this meeting. To the left of it, it's got us a play button. If I click the play button, it's going to play at exactly what point in time the audio recording was taking place while I was typing. So throughout each of the time, what you'll see under feedback, if you have a look at the seconds at the moment, it's 14. We can go and select play. It's going to jump up. That allows us to jump into the conversation and get a sense as to what everyone was thinking, what everyone was saying, and making sense of the shorthanded notes that we've taken. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope you start using it within your own meetings. Thanks.